Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Beep token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, Beep is a meme coin that aims to be uncurious and fun, inspired by the everyday beeps they hear from devices all around us. With zero transaction taxes, a burned liquidity pool, and a re-announced contract, Beep is designed to be a community-driven token on the Solana blockchain. It promises to empower communities and provide a fun and engaging crypto experience. Beep token total supply is 1000 million and circulating supply is also 1000 million Beep token. Beep token is listed on Radium, MEXC and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project only 65% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.